Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to back up IMAP mailboxes to the Outlook PST format. Let's go start. Office the Microsoft Outlook. Go to File. Then click on Open and Export. On the right side, click on Import Export. Open the new interface and click Select Export to a file and click Next. Then click on Choose Outlook Data File .pst and click Next. Select your IMAP account name or specific folders, e.g., Inbox. Check the Include Subfolders box. Then click on Next. Click Browse to choose where to save the file and name it. Then click on OK. Then click Finish. You can set a password for the file to protect your data. Otherwise, blank the field. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video. Go to Local Drive D. It's already a backup export.